Good morning, students. Coming back to your writing section, I'm taking letter writing with you. We have already discussed this topic and I'm going to quickly revise those things in this video. This sheet of mine is quite familiar to you. I had discussed with you letters. Letters are of two kinds, informal and formal. Informal we will not discuss. We will discuss formal letters. Formal letters are of various kinds. Editor of newspaper, we write formal letters to editor of newspaper, police superintendent, officers of some department, manufacturer or dealer, application to the principal. We had discussed this earlier also. Why do we write a formal letter? When we have some complaints regarding something, or we want to express some dissatisfaction about some service or about some commodity, these we have already done. Seeking permission, applying for some job, appealing something and placing order. So these all kinds of letter you have to do in your this class, and today I am going to take up placing an order. It is you can say is a business letter, and in business letter when we want to place an order, we write a letter and it has a specific format. So I'm coming to format part. This is also a revision format of writing a letter. Sender's address. First of all we write sender's address in 3 lines. This we have already discussed. Then we put date. Then address of the addressee to whom we are writing, it should come in 4 lines. Then subject. Subject, when we are placing an order, whatever commodity or item we are going to place order for, we would mention here. Then salutation part. Children, these 2 parts are replaceable. We can write salutation first, subject after this, and vice versa. Salutation means sir, madam. Then the body of the letter, 3 to 4 parts we can make here. In first para, we should introduce ourselves, and this first paragraph should explain what are you going to place the order for, right? So this should be covered in first paragraph. Then para 2, it should explain the details of the items or products with brand and quality, and it is always in the form of a table. I will show you how a table is made. Then third para, it should talk about your expectations from the person who is going to send you the order, and the mode of payment, how you are going to make payments for this order. It should include, third paragraph should include this much. Then thanking you or with regards. Then leave 1 line, yours truly, then your signature and designation. This format, more or less same format, we have discussed in other letters also. The format is same, only here we are going to make some difference. Now I am coming to a sample letter. Here is, children, sample letter for you. My question is, you want to place an order of sports goods for your school, Silver Sky Public School, Pune. Sign yourself as Gautam Kumar, the sports in charge. The question is that you are the sports in charge of a school. The name of the school is Silver Sky Public School, Pune. And you want to place an order for your school sports activity. So here comes the answer. See, in first 3 lines, the address of the addressee. Sorry, the address, the sender's address. You belong to Silver Sky Public School, then area, sector 11, and city, Pune. Then you will leave 1 line blank here, then we will put date, August 18, 2020, then leave 1 line, and then address of the addressee in 4 lines. The manager, the proprietor. Proprietor means the owner of the company. Messrs A to Z Sports, because we are placing order for sports goods. So A to Z Sports. Then area where it is situated, Main Bazaar, Mumbai. It should come in 4 lines. Then comes subject. Subject, placing an order of sports goods. Now comes salutation part, sir. And here is your first paragraph. It has been a pleasure to communicate to you that our school has been your regular customer for last 12 years and we are quite satisfied by your products and services. We would further like to place an order in bulk with your company. List of the items along with their brands and quantity is given below. This is your first paragraph. Now in second paragraph, you will make a table. Children, this table should consist of 4 columns. Column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. First column is serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minimum 5 items you will place order for. Minimum 5 it should contain. Then item, because you are placing order for sports good, cricket bat, brand, MRF, you can write any brand, and if you have no brand in your mind, you can write XYZ, ABC, any brand you can make, you can imagine. And then quantity, you are placing order for cricket bat, MRF company, 10 in number. Football, polo brand, 6 in number. Practice net, canvas company, 3 in number. Tennis ball, XYZ company, 15 in number. Badminton racket, Queen's brand, 10 in number. And then you will make total, you will count the total items, 44. And here your table should be closed. So the table should contain 4 columns like this. And your third paragraph now. Kindly deliver the order on time. Make sure that all the items are fresh and new and no item is broken or damaged. The payment of the order will be done through net banking. An early response will be appreciated. So this is your third paragraph, the last paragraph. Then leave a line with regards, or you can say thanking you. Then leave a line, yours truly, then your name Gautam Kumar and your designation sports in charge. So children, here is a sample letter, and after this I will be giving you a question of same kind, and your task is to write a letter of placing an order according to the question. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.